Hello, my name is Samantha Casabo, and I'm the project manager for this business venture. Our company, SK Group, is looking to open up a clinic/birthing center in St. Louis, Missouri. Opening up a business like this is something that is needed within the industry. The maternal mortality rate in America is higher when compared to other developed countries. When it comes to women of color, that rate is higher compared to their white counterparts. In opening Maboka Clinic, we hope to create a healthy and racially sensitive /aware clinic for expectant mothers. From our research and from talking to women of color within the community, they feel as though they aren't listened to when they're in healthcare settings, and that could affect their health and how things come out. So we felt like opening up a clinic like this would be great. Our clinic's birthing center will be different because most birthing centers only have doulas or midwives, but ours will have an OBGYN on staff. Um, Having an OBGYN on staff will make a world of difference because patients will be able to get prenatal and postnatal care services, and um, also having the birthing services. So I hope that you'll consider investing into our business venture. Thank you so much.